Hello folks, we're back here at Thunder Valley CB Shop. We've got some radios here on sale. This one here is the Connex 3400 HP. Very nice radio, which is this guy right here, converted, peaked, and tuned, 280. We got the Connex 36. That one's also on sale, converted, peaked, and tuned, 280. And we have our Galaxy 939F, converted, or not converted, peaked and tuned and aligned, 240. And I got this really cool drive cam in, so that way you can record while you're driving in case some idiot pulls out in front of you. Alright folks, let's see here. We still got our nice antennas in stock. I got 2 Vipers. I had 4. I sold 2 today. Sold a couple Wilson 5000s. We got our Monkey Maids and our Black Widows, red, white, and blue. And that's about all folks. I appreciate you guys watching the videos. Please subscribe to my YouTube page, Thunder Valley CB Shop, and we'll talk to y'all later. Stay safe and God bless.